Okay, hello, good morning. Ngayon po ay pag-aaralan natin kung paano gumawa ng isang parametric model, no? So, titirahin natin yung customized family using metric generic model. So, to be specific, magkikreate po tayo ng simple table, no? So, under families, click new, no? New tayo, creates a Revit family file. And then for new family select template file dialog, kindly look for metric generic model. Okay? Metric generic model. Yan. And then click open. So what is generic model or what is parametric model? Parametric models are built on values. So marami dyan. We have height, length, width, and so on and so forth. They allow you to design an object by modifying its parameters, such as those defined within a Revit family. For example, nag-create na tayo ng customized dining table, and then may mga parameters yan. If gusto nating i-modify, i-edit, so under edit type ng properties palette, po pwede siya, no? And then from there, susunod na po. Okay? So let's start. Under project browser, floor plans, reference level po. Diyan tayo gumagalaw. So as default, naka-reference level. And then we have elevations, back, front, left, and right. So mamaya gagamitin din natin siya. And then for ribbon, meron tayo dyang create tab, forms panel, and then itong mga tools na to, to be specific, itong extrusion tool, ang gagamitin natin for this parametric model. Okay, let's start. Type po natin. So reference plane, RP. Type tayo, RP. And then click to enter reference plane start point. So i-hover ko lang yung aking mouse and then kukunin ko si temporary dimensioning and temporary alignment. Hanapin ko lang si 900 and then click ako, first point, and then drag po natin pababa. And then make sure available yung ating temporary alignment para maging straight line. And then click tayo ng second point. And then mirror ko na lang dito sa kanan, no? So we have two types for mirror. We have pick axis and then draw axis. Ang pinakamabilis na pwede natin gamitin, no, for this example, for this tutorial ay DM. So draw axis, DM. Bakit? Available na po kasi, no, dito. And then select natin si reference plane, enter. Click po, first point, and then dito na lang tayo mag-second point, click. Automatic na mirror na siya, no? Next, type natin Delta India for dimension aligned, no? You can see we have dimension panel and then align tool is selected as default. And then yung shortcut niya is Delta India DI. Okay? Click natin ito, dimension, tatlo, and then drag lang po. So as you will notice, as you can see, meron tayong EQ. Ibig sabihin yan is equal. Okay? And then click ulit, kunin natin yung total. So 1.8. Escape, escape, escape. Click po natin, no? Kailangan po nating establish yung parameter nito, no? Select natin yung 1,800 na dimension line. And then under label dimension, maglalagay tayo ng label. Ewan ko sa inyo kung may label kayo. No? So under label dimension, we have create parameter tool. And then parameter properties dialog will appear. Under parameter data name, lagay po natin length. Okay? Lagay po natin length, type nyo length. And then click OK. Okay. Next step, RP ulit for reference plane, Romeo Papa. And then hanapin natin temporary dimensioning and alignment. 600. Yan. And then establish ulit tayo. Second point. And then escape na lang ako. DM ulit. Delta mic for draw axis. Select po natin ito. Enter. And then click tayo ng first point and then click second point. Okay, so matic na mirror na sa baba. And then next, Delta India for dimension. Select yung first reference, second, and yung third. Drag natin and then get the total width. Okay, escape, escape, escape. Select po natin yung ating total na 1,200 and then syempre may label na naman, hindi katulad nyo. So label dimension and then create parameter tool, click parameter properties, sa name po lagyan natin ng width. Width, and then click OK. Okay. So next would be okay, yung ating mismong extrusion na form, no? So under create tab, forms panel, click extrusion tool. And then for extrusion tool, we have modify create extrusion, additional contextual tab, present, we have panel, draw work plane mode, and then we also have options bar. Okay? So under draw, click ko na lang si rectangle tool. And then enter the starting point of the rectangle. Dito tayo sa may upper left. And then drag natin sa lower right. So hindi na natin kailangan maglagay ng value. Kasi meron naman siyang guide, no, ni reference plane. And then under depth, ni options bar, palitan natin to. No? Negative 50. Bakit? Mamaya mag-establish tayo ng tabletop. From reference plane na tabletop, magbababa yan. So, negative tayo. Okay? And then, check po tayo. Finish edit mode. And then, let's go to project browser elevations front. As you can see, nasa baba siya ng reference level. Bakit? Hindi kasi tayo nakapag-set kanina. So, mamaya, iaangat natin, no? And then from there, lagyan na lang natin ng reference plane, RP. Establish lang po tayo. Okay? And then kindly select, no, hover your mouse kay temporary dimensioning. Click. And then lagay ko lang 750. And enter. And then under reference plane na in-establish po natin, sabi dyan, click to name, lagyan natin para mamaya pag magse-select tayo ng reference point or yung kaniyang setting, mabilis nating mahanap. Click to name natin. So click po. Lagay mo na lang table top. Okay, table top. Enter. And then escape, escape, escape. Delta India, dimension align. Then click natin to. Click din natin to. Dalawang reference plane. And then drag po. Escape, escape, escape. Click natin in dimension line. Okay, click po. And then syempre, label pa rin. Buti na lang kay Revit, may label. And then under label dimension, click nyo si create parameter tool. And then under name, lagay natin height. Okay, height. Lagay po height. And then click OK. And then balik po tayo kay project browser. Floor plans, reference level. Double click. Ayan. So bumalik po tayo dito. Floor plans, reference level. Select natin itong extrusion na ginawa natin. And then under work plane, click nyo si edit work plane. And then work plane dialog will appear under specify a new work plane. Naka-name po yan. And then for name, palitan natin. Ito na siya yung kinreate natin. No? So reference plane tabletop para umangat. and then click OK. Then check lang natin, no? Go to project browser, elevations, and then click front, double click. Automatic po, nasa ilalim kasi -50, no? Okay, -50 yung depth, and then yung height is 750. Then we have na thickness, 50 mm. Okay? And then balik tayo, floor plans, reference level. Create tayo ng leg, no? So RP, yan. And then delta mic for draw axis, select natin. And then enter, click po tayo, first point, second point. Click din. Okay? Then RP ulit, dito naman sa horizontal. Then scape, delta mic for draw axis, select natin, enter, first point, and then second point. So may mirror lang po pababa. Okay? And then type natin DI for dimension align. So lagyan natin to, lagyan natin to. And then this one, to rin. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then scape. Select po natin, hold niyo yung control para sabay-sabay. And then under label, eto na naman siya. Create parameter tool. Lagay po natin. Leg na lang, no? Leg. Okay, leg. Then click OK. And then okay na, no? Okay na yung ating guide. Pwede tayong mag-create ng ating paa. So leg, under create tab, go to create tab. Forms panel. So extrusion ulit tayo. Click. And then circle na lang, no? Yung tool na gagamitin ko. And then yung ating shape ng paa. Yan. So okay na lang muna. 440 yung radius. Scape. Okay. And then select ko. DM na lang sa draw axis. Kuha tayo ng axis. And then select ko both. Using window selection, no? From left to right. And then DM. Dito naman siya sa baba. Okay. And then check natin. Finish edit mode. Under depth. Palitan natin to. So, thickness minus yung height. 750. So, gawin natin 700. And then, check natin yung work plane niya. No? So, click Edit Work Plane. So, naka-reference level naman. Okay siya. And then, okay na lang. And then, check natin sa project browser, elevations front. Double click. So, ito na siya. Okay. And then, 3D view. Default 3D view. Click. Yan. So, meron na tayong simple customized dining table. So that's it for this tutorial. No? I hope you learned something. Kung meron, share mo naman sa iba para matuto din sila. Yay! And then from there, pwede na nating save. No? Go to File, Application menu. And then save. Okay? And then lagay nyo lang dyan. For example, customize dining table. Save. Okay? And then if you want to create an office table, no? Sabi natin kanina, pwede na. From dito, sa model natin, just go to properties panel, and then click family types, no? So under family types dialog, ito na po yung na-create natin kanina na dimensions under parameter, no? So we have height, leg, length, and width. So pwede na natin siyang lagyan ng name na yan, create new muna tayo. Name na dining table. Okay? Okay lang. And then yung value, ito na po siya. Same. And then click ulit new. Type, lagay natin office table. Okay. Okay. For office table, palitan natin yung kanyang length. No? Sabihin natin 1,800. Oo. Lakihan natin. Maraming papeles eh. And then for width, we have 850. Then for leg, gawin lang natin 165. Okay? Then click apply, click OK. Automatic po nag-adjust. No? Okay? That's it nga po for our tutorial. So sana may natutunan po tayo. And kung meron, lagi nating sinasabi, no? Share mo naman sa iba para matuto din sila. Thank you. God bless.